Habari yako mami?
Nzuri sana.
Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Tabu.
Unaitwa?
Tabu.
Tabu nani?
Tabu Kaingo.
Tabu Kaingo. Tabu umeolewa?
Nimeolewa.
Una watoto wangapi?
Na watoto kwa ufupi hao wanasoma hawa. Ni wawili.
Wawili. Na kwa jumla una watoto wangapi?
Na 7.
Na 7. Kuna mume wako anafanya kazi ama?
Mzee sana.
Mzee sana.
Hata hafanyi kazi, siwezi danganya.
Okay. So Rolly, her name's Tabu Kaingo. This is a mother of 7 children. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Rolly. She's supposed to take care of these 7 children. She's supposed to take them to school. She's supposed to feed them. She's supposed to take care of their education. She is supposed to ensure that these children are in good condition. Now, one interesting thing is that this mama is married. Mama Tabu is married, but the husband is very old. She just told us the truth, that the husband is very old, that he's not even able to move or work. So, the whole chunk of work is left to her, to herself, that is taking care of these children. Sponsors, givers, well-wishers. We know there are people who are parents amongst you. You know what it takes to take care of 2 or 3 children. Now imagine Mama Tabu is going through all this, take care of 7 children. These children need to go to school. They need school fees. That is the main challenge. They need clothing. They even need food back at home. They need shoes, school bags, and all that. So we are praying and hoping that sponsors, givers are going to come to Mama Tabu's help and provide this lady with the resources that her children are going to use for their education. Thank you so much, Rolly, Gift and Befriend. God bless you.